Tired of grimy glasses? See the world in crystal clear clarity again. Are your glasses always smudged? Do your rings lack sparkle? We've got the solution. This isn't just any cleaner. It's a professional-grade cleaning experience right in your home. The Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner uses powerful ultrasonic waves to blast away dirt and grime. Imagine your glasses, jewelry, and even dentures sparkling like new. It's super easy to use with 5 cleaning modes. Just add water, set the timer, and watch the magic happen. This cleaner isn't just for glasses. It works wonders on jewelry, watches, retainers, and more. The 20 stainless steel tank is built to last. It's scratch-free and oxidation-resistant, ensuring your valuables are always safe. Plus, it has over 45,000 amazing reviews. Ready to experience the ultimate clean? Head over to the Amazon product page for the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner now. Don't miss out on this amazing deal to bring the sparkle back to your life.